Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, it's a 2-for-1. We've got Boxycharm, my base, and my premium, so let's check it out. This is the point that I admit that unless I start doubling things up, I am so far behind, I am never going to catch up. So today, we're going to open my base and my premium. I'm going to try and go a little faster so you're not here all day. And let's dig into it. These are my January boxes. I don't think my February boxes have shipped yet. The small is the Boxycharm Base box. I've made a mental note, I believe, of what I chose from these boxes. You know this is the base box because it's red on the inside. The base box just went up, I think, to $27.99. I'll let you know right here if I am incorrect about that. This is what I have on the inside. We have our card that tells us all about January. It was refresh, which makes complete sense. Let's see what I'm refreshing with. They say the value of the base box will be up to $175 and 5 products. I have to tell you, I'm sitting here looking at this thinking, yeah, girl, you have no idea what you picked. I have a good guess. You guys probably know what the options were when we picked, so you can let me know below and I'll tell you at the end what I picked, but we'll do it as a guessing game. Right off the bat, we have a Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Lip Pencil Sharpener. So that's kind of cool. I feel like I didn't pick this. I could use a new lip pencil sharpener, so I am very happy to have this. Look, the edges open up, easy to clean. I have to tell you, I know it's the simplest thing, but I like that. And this is what the liner looks like. This is the Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this XX extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips, needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with the single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. And it has an $18 value. That is what that end looks like. Oh, that's all it is. Even with my glasses, I'm going blind now. This end is just showing us the color. It looks kind of neutral. Oh, it's a little brown. It's a little brown for what I usually wear for lips, but it is a good nude. I'm gonna try it, but if I don't like it, I'm happy to have, I know, it seems so simple. I'm happy to have the sharpener. Next out, I also feel confident I didn't pick this, is the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Super Fruit Radiance Balm. Anything that talks about radiance scares me a little bit because it usually means something to eat your face off. Not for most people, but for me, that's how I see it. This is a $38 value and it says, as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin. Well, I will show you guys what this looks like, but I am not going to swatch it because somebody else will be enjoying this. Ooh, that looks so cool. That is what it looks like. And it's kind of like a creamsicle color. Yum, who doesn't want something that's a creamsicle color? Next out, I have a Plump Your Base 2 multi-use makeup sticks, Pinky Rose Cosmetics, Hip Hop and Jazz. I love that packaging. It is so stinking cute. I don't think I picked this either. That is what they look like. I love the packaging on these, the way they've done their branding and everything. The paperwork says they have a $20 value and it's a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. Well, I have to tell you, a second ago I was thinking, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and set those aside, but as a primer or just on the bottom eyelid, that sounds pretty cool. This one definitely looks like it could be a base primer for me. Yeah, can you guys see? It's right there. I could totally use that as a primer. All right, let's see what this one would do. So this is in theory the one. Ooh, it's copper. That's pretty. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. So I could use that as a primer and that on my lower lash lid, or they said you could use it in your waterline. Okay, that's kind of fun. I don't think I chose this though. Next out, and what I think might have been my choice, I'm hoping this was a choice, is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And that is what it looks like. This has a $44 value, and it says it's a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerhouse formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy-looking skin. Oh, interesting. On the back of the box, it says, made exclusively for Boxycharm. I read the ingredients and there's nothing in it that at first blush I think, wow, I can't use that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, which is probably, I'm staying with it, which is probably what I thought when I saw it. So I still think this is my choice. I so seldom choose skincare, but you know, if the choice doesn't have something else in it that I like, my hand's enjoying it. I'm trying to dance around all of those liners and everything. That was way, way, way too much for that area. But oh my goodness, I'm gonna try and show you guys this. This is where I focused on it, not around in here where those are. Can you guys see how the lines on the back of my hand have kind of disappeared from that area compared to the rest? I'll try and see this in editing, but it is so smooth and nice. High hopes for my face. Although my face does seem to be having a fit this winter. Last but not least in my box is something from Aesthetica. Let's check it out. It says cream on the little label. That's interesting. It is the Contour Series Cream. That is what it looks like when we take it out. There's a little booklet that I imagine is going to tell us how to use contour. Yes. Tells you how to contour your face. I don't usually use creams for this job. On one hand, I definitely want to pass this along, but on the other hand, I'm like, every single thing that you see on Insta shows how somebody has completely cream contoured their face, and I'm kind of intrigued. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm trying to do this video more quickly since we're going to do 2 boxes, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep this or pass it along. I am intrigued, so if you do the cream contouring, let me know if you think it really makes a difference. The paperwork for this says this kit contains 6 blendable silky creams that are designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face. 3 contour shades for sculpting and 3 highlight creams to enhance your favorite features. This kit includes removable and refillable pans packaged in a travel-friendly mirrored palette, specially formulated for fair to dark skin tones, and it has a $40 value. I mean, I will admit, I am intrigued. I kind of want to try it. That finishes my base box. In my base box, I got the Aesthetica Contour Palette, the Pharmacy Filling Good Hyaluronic Plumping Serum, the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar, the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Pump Up Your Base Multi-Use Pencils, and the Dragon Beauty Lip Liner and Sharpener. Okay, let's move on to my premium. And just for the record, my value with the base box was $160, and they say we'll have an up to $175 value. And that is what we have, and we know it's the premium because it's that pretty blue. Same paper, nope, different paperwork. Better Beauty. They're both January, right? I mean, they have basically the same themed paperwork, so I'm gonna say they're both January, but that is what that looks like. Better Beauty, this one opens up and it says refresh your routine. And it talks about shea butter and grapefruit seed extract, kaolin clay, jojoba seed, bamboo charcoal. I'm gonna read that later. I like to learn what I can about the products. The back will tell us everything that's on the inside. And the premium is $39.99. We have 2 choices with it, and they say that it will have an average of a $215 value, and we will get 5 to 6 products. Let's dig in. First out of the box, I know this wasn't my pick. It is Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I will pass this along. I never say I just don't care for a brand, because I think that brands have redeeming qualities, even if there's certain products that you try from the brand. Something they use, I guess, across the brand in Juice Beauty, I don't have great luck with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along, but that is what it looks like. And that is so pretty. I really like the way that it looks. And it says that it is a $36 value. Clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox. Aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polyhydroxy acids for softer, smoother complexion. It is 2 fluid ounces, by the way. Next out, I have a, is it Lys or LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. I am using one of their bronzers right now that I am liking so much, so I hope I can use this. Let's check it out. Oh, I can't. I was just looking at the back and I'm like, oh, I can't use it. The key ingredients. Oh, this is triangle, just like the bronzer. How stinking cute is that? It's like, can you tell it's triangle shaped? That is so cute. Not even reading the paperwork though. The second ingredient in this is AHA fruit blend, which my face would not enjoy. And then the next ingredient is grapefruit extract. So I will also be passing this along, and it is the LYS Beauty, and it is a $20 value. This daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feel as good as it looks. All right, okay, next out, I have a Persona lip liner. I think I have been collecting Persona products. I started with an eyeshadow palette, and then I got an eyeliner, and now I have a lip liner, and I will tell you, every single item that I have gotten from them, I have thoroughly enjoyed. So let's see what color the lip liner is. Ooh, I wonder if that's brown or burgundy. It's hard for me to tell in the lighting. Oh, it's hard to tell. What did they say the color is? 90210. Well, that does not help me decide. That is what it looks like. That is what it looks like on me. Can you guys tell if it is brown in this lighting? Brown and burgundy is really tough to tell. Line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner, formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide-on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting color. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan, and it has a $14 value, and I will co-sign that it went on so creamy. So using this, I'm gonna try it. It'll just be a matter of whether the color is perfect for me. Next out, I have a Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. I'm not sure if this was a choice. I think this might have been my choice. I've seen on the paperwork, I remember what one of my choices was. I feel like I definitely chose this if it was an option. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. We're gonna swatch these colors. So take that off. So we have a nice bronzer type color and a highlighter type color, and the pink. They are gorgeous. Of course, I started with the pink. We're working backwards here. Those are the three colors. So the pink, this is the beigeish color. Let's call it something champagne. It's champagne color. And then this is the more bronzed color. So creamy and nice. And all three lighter than I anticipated. I don't know how great these would work for darker skin tones, but maybe they chose this or offered this to me because it's for light skin tones. Does it come in choices? I don't know. Let's read the paperwork and find out. The Custom Enhancer Palette has a $42 value. It is a travel-friendly palette that features 3 best-selling shades of Custom Enhancer drops. Now, oh, keep reading, Catherine. I was like, what? They're not drops. Now in a talc-free pressed powder. So those drops that we were all getting, I way prefer the palette, way prefer the powder. It is talc-free pressed powder, an at-home or on-the-go sweep over the high points of the face to instantly illuminate the complexion. Love it. Just love it. Perfect. I don't know. Actually, I don't know that I remembered to highlight today. Let's throw a little highlight on. What shall I tap into? I think I'm gonna do the pink. I know, I should probably do that nice champagne, but could you tell any difference? I cannot. Okay, I think we can all agree my nose is shinier now. I like this. I will be playing with this more. I prefer this a billion times. 1,000,001 over the drops. Let me know below. Do you prefer the liquid drops or do you prefer a powder? Next out, we have an Ather Beauty Desert Sunset Palette. Ooh, it is not impossible that I could have chosen this also. It has a $48 value. It is a new launch, and it has 10 shades in ultra matte, shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps improve your glow by illuminating the skin and its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, and prickly pear seed oil and moringa seed oil. This box lets me know I have had something from them before because I have something down there in my palettes that this is a horrible reason to admit why I remember it. It's slightly annoying because it doesn't sit flat, because can you see that the triangle on it here comes up to a little lump, so it has to be at the top of the stack. These are pretty. I definitely have one of their palettes. It's not this palette, is it? I'm not going to swatch this palette, guys, in case... Isn't that a shame that I can't say for sure sitting here that this is not the palette that I already own? That is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. I will absolutely use it because I am drawn to that color, but that color is also the one that makes me think, do I own this already? It's very pretty. I'm going to gently, it doesn't have the plastic covering it, but I'm going to gently close that back up in case I already... That's where I get confused. I'm pretty sure that the next thing down, and the last thing we have is the Ipsy Zero Waste Mascara. But I don't have mascara. I have some kind of pouch. Oh, it says Ipsy. Don't give up hope. Ipsy, live beautifully, waste less. I don't think it's just written in black on the black. I will do that, but I don't think I can get you to that. The front is kind of a oh, it's got slip in it. Oh, so you could, I mean, I don't know what else you would do with it. Let's open it up and see what's going on in here. All right, when we open it, oh, we have paperwork that's going to tell us what to do. It's kind of got like a gusset over here, I guess, that will stop it from opening all the way and everything flying out. Send me back to save the world and a $5 restocking fee. Zero waste reusable shipper. Manufactured from upcycled materials, and it has the mascara in it. So I guess if you like the mascara and you continue to use it, when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, perhaps you send it back. And this is the mailer? I am so intrigued by this, guys. Did you know that over 200 million plastic mascaras are discarded every year in the US alone? I'm actually kind of surprised it's not more than that. Thankfully, Ipsy Zero Waste Mascara is a 100% recyclable, endlessly refillable, and certified carbon neutral mascara. Fall in love with your Ipsy Zero Waste Mascara over the next 3 months. Return your empty Zero Waste Mascara in the enclosed prepaid mailer by 4/25/22 and use checkout code CHARMER20 to enjoy 20% off your first mascara refill. Do not discard the enclosed reusable mailer or the prepaid shipping label. I don't have a shipping label. Is that true? Yes. I don't have a shipping label. So that is such a great idea. I'll have to contact Boxy and see what we do about that shipping label, because even if I don't love it, it's probably worth sending back, right? This is so heavy. It is like unbelievably heavy. It is made in the USA. Oh, look, the bottom is a QR code. Wonder if I can use that to get a shipping label. It says, has a $39 value. So while the zero waste is a great idea, wow. The Ipsy Zero Waste Mascara is a clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and zero-waste refillable mascara. All Charmers will be given 20% discount on their first refill. For shipping and refill instructions, please see the insert inside the zero-waste reusable shipper. The mascara came in. I'm going to open this because I am definitely going to try it to see what a $39 mascara is all about. It is a curved brush. That is all so interesting. I am intrigued by this, but I absolutely have a willingness to buy quality cosmetics. I don't think I would spend $40 on a mascara. That said, you guys know I love the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Love it. $40 is high. Okay. That's my premium box. I received the Ipsy Zero Waste Mascara, the LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask, the Persona Lip Liner, the Ather Beauty Desert Sunset Palette, and the Cover FX Enhancer Palette. Definitely my favorite product in this box. My value in this box was $199. I love Boxy. I'm not getting rid of Boxy anytime soon. I had some hit and miss in both of these boxes. Both of my values were a little under what they say. They said this one averages $215, I'm $199, and this one is up to $175, which means it could be $1, up to $175, and I was $160. I have products in both of these that I will absolutely try. In my premium, the Cover FX palette alone covers the cost of my box. And in my base box, and I think it was one of my choices, the Pharmacy Feeling Good more than covers the cost of my box. So I did well in both boxes. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Boxy lately. Were you happy with both of your boxes? I know I'm asking you to think way back into January. Thank you so much for coming by. I know this one probably got a little long. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care.